Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out the MAC address in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I'm using a Windows 11 operating system. So if you're using a Windows 10 or older than that, still the tricks will remain the same. So here I'm gonna show you two ways how you can do it. So the first method is just right click on your connected internet connections. So in my case I have connected with my Wi-Fi internet connection, so just right click on it and just click on this network and internet settings, and now click on this properties and just scroll down below, and now you will see here at the bottom line physical address, that is the MAC address. So you can see here the MAC address. So this is the first method how you can find out the MAC address. And the second method is just click on this start menu and just search for one program name as command prompt and just run this command prompt. Now on the command prompt just type one command ipconfig and put a slash and type all, hit enter, and now you will see a complete list of MAC addresses. So kindly note that the wireless as well as the Ethernet MAC address will be different. So you can see here the wireless MAC address. As you can see, this is the physical address, this is the MAC address. So in my case the wireless address is this, and you can see the Ethernet physical address, which is also a MAC address for the Ethernet adapter, will be different compared to the wireless MAC address. So by using these two methods you can easily find out the MAC address in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.